Good morning. So ayan taning voice over be. Nibangon ron ta ako para mo drink of water, but then nakita na ko ang kitchen and it was a mess. So I decided to start my day instead. This was only 7 a.m. Usually if wala kaming pasok, we'd start our day around 10 to 11 a.m. But since I started my diet journey, because I am already 32 weeks pregnant, pinactice namin na talagang magpe-prepare ng food ng early para makakain ng breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Pag may pasok ako, hindi ko na talaga nagagawa ang mga gawaing bahay. Usually si daddy na lahat dahil nag-rest na ako after my shift. Kaya it's so therapeutic pag nagagawa ko itong mga gawaing bahay na to. Yun nga lang, due to my condition, minsan nahihirapan na akong gumalaw. So, I doubt na makakapag laba pa ako. I'm not really sure. Speaking of, ngayon pala schedule ni daddy na maglinis ng CR. So, he will do a reset sa CR namin. And as you can see there sa video, ang dami na namang need to tupiin. Hindi ko pa siya nagagawa. So, ginising ko na si daddy this time and nag-prepare na siya ng breakfast. So, breakfast ko for today is just sandwich and gatas. So, ang mga bata gusto din nila mag-sandwich and milk. So, ayan, pinag-prepare sila ni daddy. Nag-prepare na din siya kanina ng milk for them. So, ayun lang po siguro for today. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong gagawin namin for the rest of the day. Pero, yon, happy Sunday everyone. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye!